Suicide bomber case part 3 in New York City. Tracking them. When I found out the info about what's going on in New York, lockdown, COVID-19, have a lot of people dead. So what they doing now is trying to blow up the 5 boroughs of New York. This case, I don't know. I can't handle it by myself, so I end up have to call my associate, such and such. He meet me in New York. When I called him, I was shocked. He already was in New York. When I drop in the Bronx. He was in Brooklyn. He said me don't call me, but that's okay. We'll meet up now. We have more than one suicide bomber covering their tracks very well. They have me tracking them, but I exactly don't really know what they intend to do exactly. We need to stop them before it goes off. This case is very deadly for me. Me and such I have to go deal with it, because I'm in 5 boroughs. I tell him, say right now, I will have to cover 3 boroughs right now. Him have to cover the other 2, but we will have to kill them before them set off any bombs or whatever plans they have. They are very devious. Them know about the COVID-19, and them know New York would be vulnerable, and they know say the first responders, the cops, FBI, whatever, I go deal with the COVID-19 in New York, and they know say that's the time for them to strike. But as I said, I have the okay to kill any suspect, but I'm not killing them before me know say them don't have a chance to set off whatever they're gonna set off, whatever plan them off. Sitting down, reasoning with such and such, and such turn and said to me, Mr. Vigilante Detective, hear me. This is one thing you should know about me. I know I never told you. My family was killed years ago in a suicide bombing in America when 9/11 went off in the Twin Towers. So I have some payback. I want you to understand, I'm killing every one of them I run into. So I turned and said to him, we got the green light. We're not taking no prisoner unless it's necessary. But this one, it's not gonna be bloody. This one, a volcano. Everything I got erupt, cause we have to bring with A skill to get these people. As I said, I have pictures of them. Yes, it's 15 of them. I don't know how them are going to set up them thing, but me no say. I don't care how they set up them thing, but me I set up my thing. So I tell them to go. I said, don't miss. Once you miss whatever plan they have, you have to kill them at one spot. You can't kill one and let the other one find out. You understand? This have to be precise. This have to be danger without conviction of any mercy. You upon her, me a yard man, and you don't know my thing. My thing set up a way that I'm a marksman from in the army. And the killing squad I used to be in. Don't miss. One thing. This case is taking weeks now. We in April. Me just track the first, set them in the Bronx. And me ready for kill. Cause the other one them in a blood clot Manhattan. Okay, me reach there. I see them. I didn't hesitate. I killed 3 of them on the spot. And me not talk about no mercy or no itch shot. They shot them a head shot. And the 3 of them drop, my brother. I'm going to tell you this. I have to move quickly. I was trained to disarm bombs. I disarm the bomb them, the man them have. You understand? In the subway. A lot of people wasn't traveling, so thank God COVID-19 have them locked home in them house. Thank God for that. And 3 dead me disarm the bomb. Manhattan me go now. Reaching a Manhattan, track the other rest them. Track 4 of them there so. And decide so for me track them now. Yeah, some of them put bomb in the fucking blood clot Macy's. Yeah. And then they put another couple bomb. You understand? In the garden. Famous garden, you don't know. Me can't let that shit go down. You understand? Yeah, can't let that go down. Shot them, kill them, disarm the bomb them. Next spot now. Guess where? The pussy wall them. Locked down in Brooklyn. Call my brethren such and such and meet me down there. Lock it down. But I never know something deadly. The man can shoot them from 50 and 60 yards away. The man is deadly. Before him do anything, him look for me and tell me say something I never tell you. I was a fucking agent working for my country. To kill people. And I quit because I couldn't do it anymore when I have my daughter. So him tell me, so I say, alright, let me see how good you really is. Fucking kill a few of them there so. I decide say, I go Long Island. Catch a couple of them with the same treatment. Yeah. Go Staten Island, the same thing. No mercy. And that me I tell you, kill them off. One of them blood clot getaway. There's no way to run because we's tracking him. He's driving. I think he make a phone call. By the time we fucking reach him on the Brooklyn Bridge and we corner him, he can't run out, I guess. We just shoot up him blood clot right there and then. I say, when you come to my blood clot country where I'm living, I have no mercy. Cause you don't know. Such and such turn and said to me, we don't fucking cater for no blood clot suicide bombers here. So I say, aye, sir. Wrap that up. Pussy make a call. Blood clot. We don't know what to do because we don't know who call the last call on his cell phone. Call my friend in the blood clot FBI. So if you track the number, you track it. Yeah, in blood clot track it too. Couldn't believe it. Track it back to Boston. Yeah. So we decided we have to go drive back up. But the fucking COVID-19, they have a lock off. Don't know to get there because right now we can't get out. Because this is going to be dangerous. And them blood clot have another setting at Chicago. But we have to find out who the fucking call go to in a blood clot Boston. Because we not take no check and we not take no talk. That one was done. We stay in New York for a little bit. We don't have a choice. But we tracking them. If we can't leave, we're going to leave the party in our ass clot. Boston. We have to get to Chicago. Pussy will them plan it out. So if the one they get the call or whoever get the call in a blood clot Boston, if him like or him know this, if the man them in Chicago, he must give the order for go now. So we have to get to Chicago at no blood clot, no stopping. You understand? We have to go get to the other boy later. So we call FBI bridging. We get escort and get a plane. Get a helicopter ride. Because the plane couldn't land. Take the helicopter. Fucking reaching at Chicago. Ready? We couldn't know when we land. Stop this so.